Rastafari. Every cloud is a sign, me a reason with the elders in a ancient time. Rootswana, ganja in a palm, me and deep cow. Deep chat panjalan from the red earth straight to the sun. Rootswana, Rootswana, we na run Rootswana. Ganja in a palm, me and heal heart, heal mind. Heal the land from the first light straight till it done. Rootswana, Rootswana, we na run. Me say overstand, me no just understand. Mind of it firm like tree in a sand. The fear of the chain, then love of the key. So me pass round the toddy, set the people free. Enough man high, but them spirits still low. Ganja without wisdom, just island show. So me chance like yourself, look cross time. Every puff is a step in a mountain climb. Rootswana, ganja in a palm, me and deep dog. Deep trod panjalan from the red earth straight to the sun. Rootswana, Rootswana, we na run Rootswana. Ganja in a palm, me hand heal heart, heal mind. Heal the land from the first light straight till it done. Rootswana, Rootswana, we na run. Take one draw for the youth we lose hope. Take two draw for the mother where you cope. Take three draw for the warrior in a cage. Spread them broke out, spirit dash for rage. Me say rise up, even when you're flat on your face. Dust off your soul, start set your pace. Life and no race is a long, long trod. Every little setback still lead to God. Rootswana, ganja in a palm, me hand deep down. Deep trod panjalan from the red earth straight to the sun. Rootswana, Rootswana, we na run Rootswana. Ganja in a palm, me hand heal heart, heal mind. Heal the land from the first light straight till it done. Rootswana, Rootswana, we na run Rootswana. Rootswana, Rootswana, we na run Rootswana. Rootswana, Rootswana, we na run Rootswana. Higher heights we are trod. Rootswana calling from the ancient sod. True meditation at the temple of the mind. Plant the seed in a the red earth dust. In a jar works every man must trust. Burn the chalice for the clarity of sight. While the wicked man are fretting at the night. Earthly shackles cannot bind the free. Open up the scrolls of the destiny. Rootswana rising like the morning sun. The battle of the spirit, it must be won. Inhale the wisdom from the greenest leaf. Bringing all the weary ones some sweet relief. Forward ever with the lion stride. Man a search gold but find only dross. While the humble man, he carry the cross. I and I know the power of the herb divine. Turning water into the sacred wine. Levitate precious like the mountain rain. Wash away the sorrow and the mental pain. Deep, so deep. The roots them are digging through the concrete. Stronger than the iron on the street. Higher meditation, Zion get it open wide. Rootswana shining like the ancient gold. The greater stories yet to be told. Exhale the darkness, let the light remain. Breaking every link of the mental chain. Forward ever no turning back tonight.
Higher heights we are trod. ROOTSWANA calling from the ancient sod. True meditation at the temple of the mind. Plant the seed in the red earth dust. In other works every man must trust. Burn the chalice for the clarity of sight, while the wicked man are fretting at the night. Earthly shackles cannot bind the free. Open up the scrolls of the destiny. ROOTSWANA rising like the morning sun. The battle of the spirit, it must be won. Inhale the wisdom from the greenest leaf. Bringing all the weary ones some sweet relief. Forward ever with the lion's stride. Man a search for gold but find only dross, while the humble man he carry the cross. I and I know the power of the herb divine, turning water into the sacred wine. Liberty it precious like the mountain rain, wash away the sorrow and the mental pain. Deep, so deep, the roots them are digging through the concrete. Stronger than the iron on the streets. Higher meditation, Zion gate it open wide. ROOTSWANA shining like the ancient gold. The greatest stories yet to be told. Exhale the darkness, let the light remain. Breaking every link of the mental chain. Forward ever, no turning back tonight. Early morning breeze, spliff light, mind ease. ROOTSWANA on the rise, overstand, open your eyes. Me ban a little earth for the meditation. Sit down in a soil, feel the vibration. Grandma say, big sense out of nonsense youth. So me dig down deep, find the root of truth. Babylon love shiny things, me love real things. Them chase quick crown, me grow real kings. Every joy is a prayer, every cloud is a sign. Me a reason with the elders in a ancient pine. ROOTSWANA, ganja in a palm of me hand deep down. Deep trot panja land, from the red earth straight to the sun. ROOTSWANA, ROOTSWANA, we now run ROOTSWANA. Ganja in a palm of me hand, heal heart, heal mind, heal the land. From the first light straight till it done. ROOTSWANA, ROOTSWANA, we now run. Me say overstand, me no just understand. Mind a fi firm like tree in a sand. The fear of the chain, then love of the key. So me pass round the chalice, set the people free. No man high, but them spirits still low. Ganja without wisdom, just style and show. So me chant sight yourself, look cross time. Every puff is a step in a mountain climb. ROOTSWANA, ROOTSWANA, ganja in a palm of me hand deep dark. Deep trot light straight till it done. ROOTSWANA, ROOTSWANA. We not run. Take one job for the youth we lose hope. Take two jobs for the mother where you go. Take three jobs for the warrior in a cage. Where them broke out spirit, that's where rage. Me say rise up, even when you flat by your face, dust off your soul. Start set your pace, life and no race is a long, long track. Every little setback still lead to God. ROOTSWANA, ROOTSWANA. Ganja in a palm of me hand deep now. Deep chat panjalan. From the red dirt straight to the sun. ROOTSWANA, ROOTSWANA. We now run. ROOTSWANA. Ganja in a palm of me hand. Heal heart, heal mind, heal the land. From the first light straight till it done. ROOTSWANA, ROOTSWANA. We now run. Yeah. Yeah. Higher heights we are trod. ROOTSWANA calling from the ancient sod. True meditation at the temple of the mind. Plant the seed in a the red earth dust. In a Jah works every man must trust. Burn the chalice for the clarity of sight, while the wicked man are fretting at the night. Earthly shackles cannot bind the free. Open up the scrolls of the destiny. ROOTSWANA rising like the morning sun. The battle of the spirit, it must be won. Inhale the wisdom from the greenest leaf, bringing all the weary ones some sweet relief. Forward ever with the lion's stride. Man, I search for gold, but find only dross. While the humble man, he carry the cross. And I know the power of the herb divine. trod. ROOTSWANA calling from the ancient side to meditation in the temple of the mind. Plant the seed in the red earth dust. In a jar works every man must trust. Burn the chalice for the clarity of sight. While the wicked man are fretting at the night, earthly shackles cannot bind the free. Open up the scrolls of the destiny. ROOTSWANA rising like the morning sun. The battle of the spirit, it must be won. Inhale the wisdom, palm the greenest leaf. Bringing all the weary ones some sweet relief. Forward ever with the lion's stride. Man a search for gold, but find only dross. While the humble man, he carried the cross. I know the power of the herb divine, turning water into the sacred wine. Liberty is precious like the mountain rain. Wash away the sorrow and the mental pain. Deep, so deep, the roots them are digging through the concrete. Stronger than the iron on the street. Higher meditation, Zion gate it open wide. ROOTSWANA shining like the ancient gold. The greatest stories yet to be told. Exhale the darkness, let the light remain. Breaking every link of the mental chain. Forward ever, no turning back tonight. ROOTSWANA on the map. Aya, long jaw, long life. Say deep things for my mind. Listen good now. Oh, waking at the morning, breeze bless me skin. Coconut oil, little ash in a me green. Granny say you'd keep your liberty clean, but she still have a spliff way big like machine. Me trot through the lane barefoot, hard come. Elder in a corner, chant some after sound. Him say, mind how you live now, mind how you look. Money buy chain, it can't buy book. This a ROOTSWANA meditation. One puff, revelation. Over hills and ghetto station. Same roots, one foundation. ROOTSWANA meditation. Deep thought, levitation. From the soil to every nation. Same roots, one foundation. Yeah man, enough man chase hype, chase show. Build big house but the mind stay low. Me rather little herbs and a old Rasta song than silver chain with a empty soul and Babylon. Love war but we planting seed. Herb in a me palm, whole future me see. Every little crumb of the earth where we till. Teach about patience, purpose, will. No meditation, one puff, revelation. Over hills and ghetto station. reason with the crew. Who is you if your soul can't true? Enough book read, but them heart still dry. One pull, you see sky inside your eye. Man a ask what the ganja really give. Jah blessing, brother, show you how to live. Teach you to listen when you can't talk loud. Find your own lane in a the modest crowd. Me say burn down fear, burn down doubt. Steam up the herbs, let the worry walk out. No every little fight you fi answer back. Someone win easy when you simply relax. Mind over metal, spirit over gold. Story never done till the story well told. So when you light one up, remember this line. God love God's soul. Not spoil this ROOTSWANA meditation. One puff, revelation. Over hills and ghetto station. Same roots, one foundation. ROOTSWANA meditation. Deep thought, levitation. From the soul to every nation. Same roots, one foundation. ROOTSWANA meditation. Levitation. Every nation. One foundation. ROOTSWANA meditation. Levitation. Every nation. One foundation. ROOTSWANA upon the map. Oh yeah. Long draw. Long life. Seen. Deep things from my mind. Listen good now. Waking at the morning, breeze bless me skin. Coconut oil, little ash in on me grin. Granny say youth, keep your livity clean, but she still have a spliff way big like machine. Me trot through the lane barefoot, heart calm. Elder in a corner, chant psalm after psalm. Him say mine how you live, now mine how you look. Money buy chain, it can't buy book. This a ROOTSWANA meditation. One puff, revelation. Over hills and ghetto station. Same roots, one foundation. ROOTSWANA meditation. Deep thought, levitation. From the soil to every nation. Same roots, one foundation. Yeah man, enough man chase hype, chase show. Bill big ghost, but them mind stay low. Me rather little herbs and a old Rasta song than silver chain with a empty soul long. Babylon love war, but we planting seed. Herb in a me palm, whole future me see. Every little crumb of the earth where we till. Teach you about patience, purpose, will. This a ROOTSWANA meditation. One puff, revelation. Over hills and ghetto station. Same roots, one foundation. ROOTSWANA meditation. Deep thought, levitation. From the soil to every nation. Same roots, one foundation. Draw for the chalice, reason with the crew. Who is you if your soul can't chew? Enough book read, but them heart still dry. One pull, you see sky inside you. I man a ask what the ganja really give. Jah blessing, brother, show you how to live. Teach you to listen when you can't talk loud. Find your own lane in a the maddest crowd. Me say burn down fear, burn down doubt. Steam up the herbs, let the worry walk out. No every little fight you fi answer back. Some war win easy when you simply relax. Mind over mail, spirit over gold. Story never done till the story well told. So when you light one up, remember this line. Plan love, plan self, plan spine. ROOTSWANA meditation. One puff, revelation. Over hills and ghetto station. Same my sandals. Lion walk, no stumble in the valley. While the t-shirt burning like a furnace milk, while the system crumble into ash. Rootswana, the higher ground. I'm untreading to the holy sound. Rootswana, the ancient way. Shut down Babylon, come on, me. I'm up. Man a king, not a puppet. Babylon greed, we don't stop it. Plant a seed in a fertile soil, while the wicked man boil in his style. Rootswana, the higher ground. I'm untreading to the holy sound. Rootswana, the ancient way. Shut down Babylon, come on, me. Deep calls unto deep, wake the lions from them sleep. Zion in our heart, never shall we part. Greetings to the remnant. Rootswana calling. Red dust